Welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install the ARAI RX-7X Visor. First, you want to attach the visor to the gear and make sure the gold knob or button is placed right at the red circle area or red dot. And then you want to close the visor and make sure the gold knob goes right on track. And then just do the same thing on the other side. You'll know your visor is locked in when you see the black trigger kicks back. Now to attach the ear lid, or you can say ear cap. Look for these points to attach it easily. You can hear the click sound when it's attached. Do the same thing on the other side.
Being all free.
Try opening and closing your visor just to make sure. That's all from me. I hope this tutorial helps you, and see you in the next video.
I found a reefer Corday stash in the back of the lab, so I'm in class smoking gas, left in the class preacher.